So today we're going to be looking at if statements. I've written out this piece of code using if statements. So let me just explain it. So the first step to writing an if statement is you need a variable. So I've written that temperature equals 10. And then the next step is you write your actual if statement. You say if temperature. In my case, I'm saying if temperature is greater than 20, then I want it to say stay hydrated. And then elif, you can say elif is just short for else if temperature is greater than 10. I want it to print it's moderate. So if the temperature is greater than 10, and once it gets to 20, so if the temperature is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20, then it will print it is moderate. And then if they write anything else, I want to print it is cold. So I wrote temperature is 10. Then if I run it, it'll say it is cold. But if I say 30, then it will say stay hydrated.